How to add poll on your story Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. As you see, I open my Instagram. Then when my Instagram is opening, you go to add a story. For example, I will add a story. I will go to camera and I will take a picture, and then I will swipe up, and then I will choose poll. But how it work? You have to ask question. For example, who will win? For example, France, Italy, and you will click down. So like that it's work. For example, and that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.